Far Now by Gwen Harwood. Daybreak, the household slept. I rose, blessed by the sun. A horny fiend I crept out with my father's gun. Let him dream of a child, obedient angel mind. Old no-sayer, robbed of power by sleep, I knew my prize, who swooped home at this hour, with daylight riddled eyes, to his place on a high beam, in our stables to dream. Light's useless time away, I stood holding my breath in urine-scented hay, master of life and death, a wisp-haired judge whose law would punish beak and claw. My first shot struck. He swayed, ruined, beating his only wing, as I watched, afraid. By the fallen gun, a lonely child who believed death clean and final, not this obscene. Bundle of stuff that dropped and dribbled through the loose straw, tangling in boughs and hopped blindly closer. I saw those eyes that did not see mirror my cruelty. While the wrecked thing that could not bear the light nor hide hobbled in its own blood, my father reached my side, gave me the fallen gun, end what you have begun. I fired. The blank eyes shone once into mine and slept. I leaned my head upon my father's arm and wept, all blind in the sun, for what I had begun.